So me and my family went on a little weekend break in the UK countryside. We went and stayed at a cabin in Shropshire and it was just the cutest weekend ever. So here's a little look around the cabin. Some hiking boots because we plan on doing lots of walking here. Mine are pink. Oh, can you see? We're just about to head off on our first walk. We don't know where we're going, but we're going to explore. I just wanted a nice picture of yours.
Oh, sorry. Oh, he's like, oh! He's got attitude.
Very nice.
Just trying to get a nice shot of the goats. They're fighting.
What a stroke! Really nice.
Nice tricks. What the hell? Oh my god! So aggressive.
Look at eyes. She's eyeball man. What the? Wow.
Oh my god, guys, calm down.
I should have put a football in the air there. Right,
Hi guys.
Billy and Boo.
He's a nutter.
Boo.
Oh.
No way.
Which one's Billy? Which one's Billy go?
Billy with the beard.
He's, oh my god, this is going to get inappropriate soon.
Oh yeah, that could be nasty.
Right,
Watch yourself.
Yeah,
Billy.
watch out, Boo. Bye, Boo. Bye, Billy. Oh my god. Donkeys. Hi, guys.
Oh, we'll be back.
Oh yeah, they really want to take. But what's the head bang? Maybe that's affection.
Hi, donkeys.
Oh, we've got Mabel and Mildred.
Boo and Billy are shouting at us for leaving. Oh my god, guys, can you hear them? And now we've found Mabel and Mildred, the donkeys. Hi guys! Hi! Hello you! Come here! Do you want to be friends? Is that nice? Are you being friendly? Hi! Hello! Lots of poo on the ground though. Let's hope we don't get charged by any more animals, because that was pretty scary. I think it was just being friendly, but I mean, we weren't sure.
No pushing. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, Cartman.
This is very steep. But a lot easier the way down. It is, yeah. So we just finished our walk. It was the most perfect walking weather. It was really sunny and it's quite fresh, which is really nice. And we've seen 2 goats called Billy and Boo, and 2 donkeys, Mabel and Mildred, and they were so cute. But one of the donkeys charged at us, which I'm sure I'll put in. But the plan now is to get some food. Don't know what we're going to get, maybe some pizza. And we're going to have a games night, which will be really cute. I'll show you what we get up to.
Fits in the pocket is a random, I said.
I thought it was shed. Shed doesn't fit in a pocket.
How slow is her there?
Like a slow.
Edward! Oh, for God's sake. Split second.
I hadn't even got my mouth open.
Kickers.
So wet, really. Do your toast.
What?
Oh, she's so
Who?
annoying. House.
Euphemism. Oh, jeez. Our brains are very similar. This is a little bit quicker. Sardines.
That's nice for that.
Maybe that's snack on board stuff.
Sardines.
I was giving it to Chloe before she started first.
Right, rock, paper, scissors, split. So we go 1, 2, we go in on 3. 1, 2, and then 3 do it. Everything.
I read that as fish in a pocket.
So did I, and I was thinking fish in a pocket. That's what I was like. What in a fish in a
That's such a
pocket?
random thing.
I
isn't
know.
it? Crap.
Chair.
I said cows.
Cows not in normal gardens. Chairs are.
But
Crap.
cows can be in gardens.
Crap.
Put crap in our garden.
Yeah.
And that was before you.
You're not having that.
There's,
What about
there's,
cows?
there's rubbish
Why
as in crap,
are
and
they
there's
completely
animal
covered up
crap.
cows? Cows aren't in your garden.
Cows-
They can be in gardens.
Not
They're
in our
my
garden.
But they're in a garden.
No.
Say in the Spixley garden.
Right, you're definitely not winning. And then it's just whether it's chairs or crap. I mean,
Right,
it's
girls,
chairs.
crap
Okay.
or
Don't
chairs?
care. Cows is the right.
I was early.
I'm having it.
I was early, but you didn't have it.
I'm having it.
But there's crap in the garden. We had these.
It does, yeah. ready to go out for lunch now. We're thinking a cute little pub lunch after our walking. It's quite a long walk to all of these pubs, so we're going to have to get a taxi, which is a bit of a shame because it's a really nice day, but we'll take you with you. So I think where I left this video off was me at the cabin, and I forgot to finish that video off. We just were so in the moment and having fun the day that you've seen. So we went on a walk and fed the donkeys and the goats. Then we went for lunch and I had the most amazing burger and sticky toffee pudding, and then we just went back to our cabin and we watched a film. We played board games. Our board games of choice were P for Pizza, Cluedo, and something else. Can you tell it's been a few days? I can't remember. So I thought I would just finish it off by telling you about something me and Harry did yesterday. So we went to see an orchestra perform in a cathedral. So we seen it in Northampton Cathedral, and it was the London School of Film Orchestra. It was something like that. I'll put the name of what it's called somewhere, and it was unbelievable. We loved it so much. So it's the music from John Williams and Hans Zimmer, so soundtracks like E.T., Harry Potter, Jaws, Star Wars, so loads of iconic soundtracks played by an orchestra in a cathedral, and the lighting was in time with the music. It was unreal. So just thought I'd pop on and say, if you haven't been to see it, you really should, and I'll pop some videos up that I managed to sneak. Just thank you if you've made it this far watching, and my next video will be, I'm going on a cruise this Saturday, and we are going to Hamburg, Bruges and Amsterdam, hence the suitcase I'm in the middle of packing. But yeah, if you wanted to give that a watch, it will be posted 1 week after this video, hopefully, and if not, then thank you for watching and hopefully see you again. Bye!